My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today's lecture consists of English preposition exercises for the students who are going to appear in competitive examinations like PCS, CSS, and the students who are going to appear in ETA tests. I have made some exercises based on prepositions because you will get definitely a portion of English in your paper. Starting with your exercises, how to fill prepositions in the blanks. I must give you a little practice in that. Hopefully, the concept will be clear to you. Now see, people should abide dash the rules. Abide means to act in accordance with law or some rule or some decision. Whenever you get abide, you always put preposition by with it. People should abide by the rules. लोगों को rules की पाबंदी करनी चाहिए. Abide by. Remember, whenever you get abide, you always put by with it. People should abide by the rules. He was absorbed dash thoughts. Please, I request you all to read complete sentence first. पहले आप पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ेंगे तो फिर आपके पास करेक्ट preposition आपके माइंड में आएगा. He was absorbed dash thoughts. वो सोचों में गुम था. He was absorbed in thoughts. Now, you should abstain dash committing sin. Abstain means अपने आप को रोके रखना, बाज रहना किसी काम से. You should abstain from committing sins. जरूरी नहीं है कि यही सेंटेंस आपको दिया जाए. You should abstain dash doing evil things or doing this or going against the law. Abstain के साथ हमेशा you will put from. Abstain from committing sin. He was accused dash theft. Accused उस पे चोरी का इल्जाम था. He was accused of. Whenever you get accused in a sentence, accused of something, accused of crime, accused of murder, accused of theft. Number 5 is, I was accustomed dash working at night. Accustomed means to be habitual of. A habit of doing something. I was accustomed or I am accustomed to working at night. Accustomed to किसी चीज की आदत होना. I am accustomed to going to the market on Sunday. ये मेरी आदत है कि मैं संडे को. So accustomed to. Number 6 is, he is addicted dash smoking. Addicted to. Always addict gets to as a preposition with it. She is addicted to chewing. She is addicted to smoking. Next is number 7. All drivers must adhere dash speed limits. Adhere means to be devoted to something, to stick to some rules. So all drivers must adhere to speed limits. Adhere के साथ हमेशा to preposition आएगा. If you have little practice of all these things, you can never write incorrect preposition. Adhere to speed limits. We should be adhere to speed limits. हमें speed limits का के साथ को ख्याल करना चाहिए, उसके साथ stick रहना चाहिए. He admitted them dash his office. उसने उन्हें अपने दफ्तर में आने की इजाजत दी, दाखिल होने की इजाजत दी. He admitted them into his office. While in the next sentence you must see, इसीलिए आपसे कह रही हूं कि आपने पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ना है, फिर आपको prepositions clear होंगे. Number 9, she should have courage to admit dash her mistake. Now here, admit is used in a different sense. She should have courage. में इतना हौसला होना चाहिए टू एडमिट कि वो मान ले. यहां पे एडमिट इज टू एक्सेप्ट, कि वो मान ले डैश हर मिस्टेक, टू एडमिट टू हर मिस्टेक. He took advantage. Now number 10 is he took advantage dash the weaker boys. Again, now see, you have read the full sentence. He took advantage dash the weaker boys. किसी पर फोकियत हासिल होना, किसी पर आपको एडवांटेज बेनिफिट मिल जाना, that is called he took advantage over the weaker boys. उसे जो कमजोर लड़के हैं उन पे एडवांटेज मिल गया, उसे फायदा हासिल हो गया over the weaker boys. Now see, number 11 is they took advantage dash the situation. Took advantage of the situation. My parents have great affection for their foster child. जो उनकी लेपालिक बच्ची है उसके लिए वो बहुत प्यार रखते हैं. Have great affection for their foster child. He was afflicted dash asthma. वो एस्थमा से बीमार है. Afflicted परेशान है, miserable है. He was afflicted with. Afflicted always take with. The boys are afraid of the plague. Afraid of. She was agreed dash my suggestion. Now you have to read complete sentence. Beta see, she was agreed dash my suggestion. You won't write she was agreed with my suggestion because with is wrong here. Agreed to my suggestion. Whenever there is some proposal, some idea, some suggestion, some opinion, you have to read the complete sentence. Agreed dash my suggestion, my proposal, my opinion, my idea, whatever. It will always take to with it. She was agreed to my suggestion. She was agreed to my idea, to my opinion, to my proposal. And see, in the very next sentence, I agreed dash Saima in this matter. Now see, there is a person. You have to agree with. Whenever there is a person after agree, then you have to write agreed with Saima in this matter. I hope it is clear to you. You have to read complete sentence. Agreed to some proposal, some idea, some opinion. Agree with someone. Whenever there is a person, you have to write with agree. I agreed with Saima in this matter. Now, number 17, trade companies aim dash a new market in Asia. Trade companies aim at a new market in Asia. उनका मकसद क्या है कि वो न्यू मार्केट को सर्च करेंगी. वो उनका ये इरादा है, वो न्यू मार्केट, एशिया में न्यू मार्केट्स को सर्च करेंगी. Aim at. He took aim at the bird. They are angry dash the girl's rude behavior. Now see, again, it is the same case that they are angry dash the girl's rude behavior at. Angry at someone's behavior or someone's attitude. You have to write at. They are angry at the girl's rude behavior. Secondly, in the very next sentence is somewhat different. We are angry dash our relatives. हम अपने रिश्तेदारों से नाराज हैं. We are angry with our relatives. I hope this difference is clear. Now, next number is she's very anxious dash her son to succeed. Now, anxious can be used in different senses with different prepositions. She's very anxious dash her son. वो अपने बेटे के लिए बहुत anxious है, बहुत परेशान है कि वो कामयाब हो जाए. She is very anxious for her son to succeed. And in the very next sentence, I am anxious dash Sarah. I am anxious about. When there is some person next to anxious, you will write about as preposition here. I am anxious about Sarah. मैं सारा के बारे में anxious हूं. Now next is they apologized dash me. उसने मुझसे माफी मांगी. They apologized to me. I apologize to you. You apologize to her. And in the next sentence you see they apologized dash their mistake. They apologized for their mistake. उन्होंने अपनी गलती के लिए माफी मांगी. Apologize to me, apologize for their mistake. Next is the victim appealed dash the judge. Appealed to the judge. उसने जज से अपील की. The victim appealed to the court or to the judge. And next line, he appealed dash mercy. He appealed for mercy. उसने रहम की अपील की. He appealed for mercy. Number 27 is she has an insatiable appetite dash work. काम के लिए उसकी जो स्पिरिट है यानी उसके लिए उसकी नेचुरल उसकी मोहब्बत है उसका प्यार है. She has an insatiable appetite for work. काम के लिए. I have an approach dash the headmistress. Approach to the headmistress. मेरी headmistress तक रसाई है. I have an approach to the headmistress. Number 29. They speak a language akin dash French. Akin means similarly, having same qual, almost similar. एक जैसा होना. They speak a language akin to French. जो French से मिलती जुलती language है वो बोलते हैं. They speak a language akin to. Now, number 30. The climbers spent few days acclimatizing themselves. Acclimatizing themselves अपने आप को ढाल देना. Become used to something. So the climbers spent few days acclimatizing themselves dash weather to weather. Acclimatize yourself to weather. Acclimatize always take to as a preposition with it. Next is her happiness was apparent dash everyone. उसकी खुशी सबको नजर आ रही थी. Her happiness was apparent to everyone. सबको सबके सामने जाहिर थी. Apparent to everyone. Next is her dress color was apparent dash others. Now it is used in different sense. Her dress color was apparent. Here apparent means different. नुमाया नजर आ रहा था. Her dress color was apparent from others. यहाँ पे आपने इसको from others दूसरों से नुमाया नजर आ रहा था. So you have to read complete sentence in order to use correct preposition. Now next is I was appointed dash the position of a supervisor. I was appointed to the position of a supervisor. मुझे supervisor की position पर appoint किया गया. I was appointed to the position of a supervisor. And next is you need to apply dash the local authority for a grant. You need to apply to, again it is to the local authority for a grant. And next is she needs to apply dash the post of a clerk. She needs to apply for the post of a clerk. Clerk की post के लिए उसको apply करने की जरूरत है. In number 34, you need to apply to the local authority for a grant. आपको local authority से apply करना है to the local authority and she needs to apply for the post of a clerk. Number 36 is I don't approve dash that kind of language. Approve of. Approve of means I don't accept. मैं इसके खिलाफ हूं. I don't approve of that kind of language. Similarly, next is the boys. Number 37 is you have a natural aptitude dash painting. पेंटिंग के लिए तुम्हारे अंदर वो सलाहियत है. You have a natural aptitude tendency. रुझान तुम्हारा पेंटिंग की तरफ है. You have a natural aptitude for painting. The boys should be ashamed dash their rude behavior. The boys should be ashamed of their rude behavior. Ashamed of. Number 39, most of his students aspire, wish for, aspire dash a career in business. Most of his students aspire to a career in business. Aspire to a career in business. Number 40, the director has given assent. Assent means agreement. The director has given assent to the proposal. उसने proposal को मान लिया. Assent to. Number 41 is, we often associate black color dash death. हम काले रंग को डेथ से एसोसिएट लिंक करते हैं, उसके साथ जोड़ते हैं काले रंग को एज अ सिंबल ऑफ डेथ. वी ऑफन एसोसिएट ब्लैक कलर विद डेथ. नंबर 42, शी अटेम्प्ट्स टू डिसोसिएट हरसेल्फ. वो अपने आप को अलग करने की कोशिश करती है डैश द पास्ट. डिसोसिएट फ्रॉम द पास्ट, अपने आप को माजी से अलग करती है. शी अटेम्प्ट्स टू डिसोसिएट हरसेल्फ फ्रॉम द पास्ट. शी इज assured dash her success. She is assured of her success. She is assured of her success. Number 44, the guests were astonished at her strange attitude. It will take astonish at. I am astonished I am astonished at her rude behavior or attitude or at her rude language, whatever. Number 45, Jack tried to atone dash his rudeness by sending her flowers. Try to atone. Atone means compensate. In order to compensate something, so Jack tried to atone for his rudeness. अपनी rudeness को उसने कैसे compensate किया? By sending her flowers. फूल भेजकर अपने जो गुस्ताखी थी उसको compensate किया, उसकी तलाफी की. Atone for. I am deeply attached to old places. You won't write I am deeply attached with old places. I am deeply attached to old places. Attach means like please attach this cable with computer. Then you will use with. I am deeply attached to old places. Number 47, the doctor tried to attend dash the worst injured soldiers first. The doctor tried to attend to the worst injured soldiers first. Attend to. Number 48, another death this year was also attributed dash ship collision. Attributed to ship collision. यानी इस दफा जो इस साल दोबारा जो हादसा हुआ, जो डेथ हुई, उसको भी शिप कोलिजन से जोड़ा जा रहा है. ऑल्सो एट्रीब्यूटेड टू शिप कोलिजन. नेक्स्ट इज ही हैज एन अथॉरिटी डैश फिजिक्स. अथॉरिटी ऑन फिजिक्स. यहां पे अथॉरिटी का मतलब ये है कि गुड एट फिजिक्स, एक्सपर्ट. ही इज an expert of physics. Physics का वो माहिर है. He has an authority on physics. जब भी ऐसा कोई सेंटेंस आए आप पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़िएगा. अगर फिजिक्स है या कोई उसकी स्किल के बारे में बात हो रही है तो फिर अथॉरिटी ऑन होना चाहिए. And number 50, again you will see the sentence. There is a difference. He exercised his authority dash his clerks. अब यहाँ पे authority क्या है? ओवर हिज क्लर्क्स. किसी पे वो रोब जमाता है, उसकी अथॉरिटी है, उसको इख्तियारात हासिल हैं लोगों पर. देन यू हैव टू यूज अथॉरिटी ओवर. प्रीवियस इन नंबर 49, अथॉरिटी ऑन फिजिक्स मीन्स कि वो फिजिक्स का एक्सपर्ट है, उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से फिजिक्स आती है. I hope this difference is clear to you. Authority on, authority over. किसी पे इख्तियार हासिल करना, किसी पे ताकत का इस्तेमाल करना, that is called authority over. Now, number 51. I advise you to avail yourself dash the campus library as much as possible. तुम्हें चाहिए कि तुम कैंपस लाइब्रेरी के साथ में जितना जा सकते हो, उसका जितना इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो वो करो. अवेल yourself of the campus library, यानी कैंपस लाइब्रेरी का बहुत ज्यादा जितना इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. avail yourself of यानी कैंपस लाइब्रेरी में अपने आप को अवेल करो, वहां पे अपने आप को मौजूद रखो. Number 52 is the institution was averse dash paying its employees. Number 52, the institution was averse dash paying its employees. Averse means against. Institution इदारा अपने employees को पे करने के खिलाफ है. The institution was averse to. Averse always take to with it. Averse to paying its employees. The government has put ban on all meetings for 2 months. 2 महीनों के लिए तमाम meetings पर ban लगा दिया. Put ban on. Tom is banned from entering this building. Now see, banned from entering this building. Number 55, Mariam happens to be bad at sports. Bad means not good at something. So Mariam happens to be bad at sports. I believe in working hard to achieve success. I believe in. Number 57, these results would prove to be beneficial to the community. Now remember these things, not beneficial for the community, to be beneficial to the community. Number 58, we shall blame you dash carelessness. We shall blame you for carelessness. हम आपकी बेहतियाती के लिए आप पे इल्जाम लगाएंगे. We shall blame you for carelessness. We should never boast of our success. Boast of. Boast के साथ हमेशा of use होता है as a preposition. Boast of means शेही या show off करना. We should never boast of our success. Number 60, we are bound dash same destination. हम एक ही मंजिल के लिए हम दोनों की एक ही मंजिल है. We are bound for same destination. Bound for. Number 61, I don't want to become a burden dash my children when I am old. I don't want to become a burden. Now, burden here is a noun. Now, see, become and want are verbs. What I don't want to become, I don't want to become a burden. So, burden here is used as a noun. So, whenever it is used as a noun, you have to use preposition to with it. ये इसका डिफरेंस है, प्लीज इसको याद रखिएगा. I don't want to become a burden to my children when I am old. Now, see. Burden to my children. आप ये नहीं लिखेंगे कि burden on my children. Now, number 62. His illness placed an intolerable burden. उसकी बीमारी ने intolerable burden जो बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जा सकता एक बोझ प्लेस किया है किस पे? On his family. Now, number 63. You are burdened dash many responsibilities. You are burdened with many responsibilities. Number 64. The opposition started a campaign dash the new policy of the government. The opposition started a campaign against the new policy of the government. गवर्नमेंट की नई पॉलिसी के खिलाफ ऑपोजिशन ने कैंपेन मुहिम स्टार्ट कर दी है. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस व्हेन कैंपेन इज अगेन यूज्ड. अ नेशनल कैंपेन डैश एनर्जी सेविंग इज अंडरवे. अ नेशनल कैंपेन ऑफ एनर्जी सेविंग फॉर एनर्जी सेविंग इज अंडरवे. अ नेशनल कैंपेन फॉर एनर्जी सेविंग इज अंडरवे. Now, number 66, she is capable of. Capable, always take off with it. She is capable of managing the things well. 67, she has genuine concern dash her friends. She has a genuine concern for her friends. Concern for her friends. And number 68, he has great concerns about his future. अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में उसको बहुत कंसर्न्स हैं, बहुत ज्यादा वो उसके ख्यालात हैं, he has great concerns या उसको फिक्र है about his future. And in 67 she has genuine concern for her friends. Number 69, be careful. Be careful. It is number 69. Be careful of Tom. Tom से होशियार हो. Be careful of someone. Be careful of something. Okay. Now number 70. She is very careful dash her possessions. अपने जो उसके चीजें हैं कुछ उनके बारे में वो बहुत मोहतात है. She is very careful about her possessions. When you read the complete sentence, then it will come into your mind. Now, number 71, let's take the utmost caution dash errors. Caution against errors. गलतियों के खिलाफ हमें बहुत ज्यादा मोहतात होना है. Let's take the utmost caution against errors. Now see, caution is again used in the next sentence, 72. The director was right to counsel caution dash external intervention. Caution about external intervention. External intervention ये जो बैरूनी मुदाखलत है उसके बारे में डायरेक्टर ने एक मशवरा किया. He was right to counsel caution about caution for external intervention. Sorry, caution about external intervention. Now number 73, this is a baseless charge dash me. ये मेरे खिलाफ बेबुनियाद इल्जाम है. This is a baseless charge against me. And the next one is he was charged dash murder. उस पे कत्ल का इल्जाम था. He was charged with murder. ये याद रखिएगा. Charge against me, charged with murder, charged with theft, whatever. So when you read the complete sentence, it will be clear to you. Number 75 is we have a claim dash our grandfather's land. We have a claim on our grandfather's land. Claim on. And number 76, she claimed dash her rights. She claimed for her rights. Next is he wants to avoid a clash dash opposition. वो opposition के साथ कोई झगड़ा करने से avoid कर रहे हैं. He wants to avoid a clash with opposition. Number 78, the car collided dash a tree. Collided with. Collided with, yes. The car collided with a tree. कार की दरख्त के साथ टक्कर हुई. Collided with. And 79, the banks colluded dash one another to control the world economy. Colluded means आपस में मिल जाना. किसी चीज के खिलाफ या वो आपस में मिलके कोई साजिश करना या कोई प्लान बना लेना. The banks colluded with one another to control the world economy. Number 80, she always comments dash my stockings. She always comments on my stockings. On my, comment on. Next is don't compare yourself dash her. Now see, don't compare yourself. Compare is used in two different senses. Don't compare yourself to her. Now compare can be used in two senses. Compare to and compare with. Compare to means to show likeness. कि एक जैसे आपके अंदर क्वालिटीज हैं या एक जैसा लाइफस्टाइल है तो उसके लिए आप कंपेयर टू कहते हैं. ये याद रखिएगा. डोंट कंपेयर योर सेल्फ टू हर. अपने आप को उससे कंपेयर मत करो इन योर लाइकनेस कि आप कैसे हैं वो कैसी हैं. ठीक है. कंपेयर टू मीन्स टू शो लाइकनेस. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस यू मस्ट सी ही कंपेयर्ड हिज आंसर्स with Mary's. उसने अपने आंसर्स को मैरी के आंसर के साथ कंपेयर किया. अब यहां पे विद मैरी होगा कि शो कंट्रास्ट. ठीक है कि कितना डिफरेंस है, आपके आंसर्स ठीक है या मैरी के आंसर. यहां पे आप कंट्रास्ट देखना चाह रहे हैं या डिफरेंस देखना चाह रहे हैं, सो यू विल यूज विद. ही कंपेयर्ड हिज आंसर्स विद. और फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में इन नंबर 81 यू कंपेयर कि आप अपनी लाइकनेस कि आप कितने उस जैसे हैं या वो कितनी आप जैसी है. I hope this is clear. Now, number 83 is he felt compassion dash the victim of this crime. He felt compassion. उसने थोड़ा सा उसका दिल नरम हुआ for the victim of this crime. And number 84, accuracy is not always compatible. Compatible means मिलना, बहुत ज़्यादा एक जैसा होना. Compatible dash haste, compatible with haste. ये याद रखिएगा, accuracy is not always compatible with haste. Number 85, she offered me lunch as compensation dash keeping me waiting. As compensation for. Compensation के बाद हमेशा for use होगा, compensation for something, for keeping me waiting. Number 86 is the company was in compliance. Compliance means to follow strictly. In compliance dash various safety regulations. In compliance with. ये याद रखिएगा, compliance with means to follow the rules, regulations or according to that. 87 is she paid a compliment dash her younger brother. She paid a compliment to her younger brother. Compliment is used in 3 sentences here with a little difference of prepositions. She paid a compliment to her younger brother. In the next sentence, he started his conversation with a compliment for the kids. With a compliment for the kids. And in number 89, Tom complimented. Now here complimented is directly used as a word, as a verb. Tom complimented Mary on how nice she looked. So you have to see the structure of a sentence. Tom complimented Mary on how nice she looked. He started his conversation with a compliment for the kids. She paid a compliment to her younger brother. Now, number 90 is the heavy rainfall is also conducive. Conducive means to be favorable. Favorable hona is also conducive to growing rice in plain area. Conducive, always take to preposition with it. So you need to remember the heavy rainfall is also conducive to growing rice in plain area. To the next sentence, number 91. Do you confide dash your classmates? Now here, confide means trust. Do you confide in your classmates? Please remember this difference. Confide means trust. Do you confide in your classmates? Now, see the next sentence. Over a cup of coffee, I confided important things. Confide here is used as verb. I confided important things to Sarah. मैंने सारा को बहुत अहम चीजें, राज की जो बातें थी. Confided means something. I confided, conveyed important things to Sarah. Now, number 93, I have confidence in you. Confidence in, I trust in you. I have confidence in you. Number 94, she is confident of her abilities. Confident of her success. Confident of her abilities. Number 95, I feel confident about my future. Now, it will take about here. मैं अपने future के बारे में पूरा एतमाद हूँ. I feel confident about my future. 96 is he confined his energies to traveling. Confined to. I am confined to this room. Confine always take to with it. ये याद रखेगा. He confined his energies to traveling. Number 97, you must conform to the school rules. Conform to the school rules. आपको school rules के साथ चलना है. You must conform to the school rules. And 98, I acted in conformity with my principles. Conformity. I acted in conformity. I acted in accordance with my principles. Conformity with. Number 99. This beautiful park in the city is congenial to me. ये जो खूबसूरत पार्क है ये मेरी नेचर के मुताबिक है, मेरी फितरत के. Is congenial to me. It is friendly to me. And the last number is he connected the cord dash the machine. Connected the cord to the machine. He connected the cord to the machine. उसने मशीन के साथ cord को, तार को connect किया. He connected the cord to the machine. Now, dear students, I need your opinion. If this lecture was useful to you, please like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed my channel before, please press subscribe button as well. You can write your suggestions as well, how to improve it in future, or if you have any queries. If you have some questions in your mind regarding preposition exercises, kindly write in your comments. I am there to solve them. I thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.